Raising one power to another. In this video, you will learn how to raise one power to another. Let's look at an example that contains both numbers and letters. 2a cubed to the power of 2. When the expression involves numbers and letters, you must expand them separately. 2 squared times a cubed to the power of 2. Let's simplify the number term first. 2 square is 2 times 2, which is 4. To simplify, a cubed to the power of 2, you just have to multiply the powers. So it will be a to the power of 3 times 2. 4 times a to the power of 6, which is equal to 4a to the power of 6. The simplified expression for 2a cubed to the power of 2 is 4a to the power of 6.